1. Recycled palette family rules with sign decor. This faux distressed, repurposed palette sign combines the warmth of a true primitive with wise words for the whole family. If Christian values come first in your home, then this beautiful piece of rustic decor is a must-have. 2. Whitewashed romantic wall hanging. What better way to bless a new home than with this ode to lifelong love? It makes a sweet reminder of your commitment when hung above your bed, but it's equally suitable for use as nursery art. 3. Snarky humor wide plank sign. This humorous wide plank sign offers a funny twist on a classic quote. It's the ideal decor for devoted moms. Just put a plant in front of the bottom half when you want to look like the perfect family in front of company. 4. Rough-edged wall sign with script and dark stain. Sometimes coffee just isn't enough. When you need a shot of true strength, this elegant dark stain sign reminds you of where you can turn. Pretty white script and a staggered silhouette elevate the simple design. 5. Reclaimed wood life as beautiful living room decor. Anytime you're unwinding in your beautiful living room, this reclaimed barn wood sign reminds you of all your blessings. Life really is beautiful, and so is this simple but meaningful sign. 6. Bathroom sign trio. This trio of distressed signs looks like remnants of a 1950s advertising billboard. It's a classy way to add some whimsy to your bathroom design without disrupting an otherwise soothing farmhouse aesthetic. 7. Wedding date-inspired romantic wall sign. They say pictures are worth 1,000 words, but sometimes 3 words are all you need. This sweet plank sign pays homage to the day you said, "I do." It also pairs wonderfully with cherished photos from that day. 8. Simple stenciled holiday panel. If you're tired of holiday kitsch, then this homey woodland sign offers some welcome respite. It combines the warm patina of real barnwood with rustic twine and the freshness of winter white script. 9. Song lyric sign with vinyl decal text. Why not create a relatable but one-of-a-kind sign by using a favorite song lyric? This one uses vinyl decals in 2 sizes and scripts to give a chalk-painted board a hand-stenciled look. Displaying it outside exposes it to gradual weathering, which only adds to its charm. 10. Hand-lettered headboard sign. Make your bedroom picture perfect with a romantic sign that mixes stencils for a bespoke look that's especially fitting for this fairy tale quote. A darker stain sets off classic white script and also keeps the sign from being too matchy with white walls and bedroom furniture. 11. Whitewashed door panel marriage quote. Cupboard doors are an appealing medium for wood signs. They're just the right size for hanging horizontally, and keeping the hardware on gives them an industrial look. This repurposed door panel adds cozy character to the master bedroom with a poignant Bible verse. 12. Stenciled front door welcome sign. If you're tired of the traditional welcome mat, why not try a welcome sign? This slim, vertically displayed barnwood accent fits perfectly into the corner of a doorway. White stenciling coordinates well with existing white trim and makes seasonal displays more cohesive. 13. Rustic twine love sign. This standout rustic wood sign is deceptively simple to make yourself. Just find your ideal piece of wood, decide how you want to lay out your script, and then secure the twine with a glue gun. 14. Easy hand-lettered bathroom reminders. This stacking bathroom to-do list is more than a cute wall accent. It's also a convenient tool for little guests. You might even find yourself flossing more often with this friendly reminder. 15. Framed lumber home sweet home wall hanging. Want to take your wood signage to the next level? Put a frame on it. This basic plank design is elevated by mixed script, alternating colors, and a rough wood frame with a farm-fresh look. 16. Color-washed happy home panel. Set your wood happy home sign apart by choosing or making one with the color Washington. This one uses the traditional blue of milk paint primitives. A bright background also lets you mix white and black text. 17. Sanded paint song lyric sign. This distinctive, distressed wood sign gives the heartwarming song lyric the shabby chic treatment. Sanding is a secret, but you can apply text after sanding if you want to keep your lettering crisp. 18. Reclaimed door with Bible verse. A time-worn barn or utility cabinet door makes the perfect canvas for a favorite Bible quote. Rusted hardware and paint remnants bring real character to a verse about hope and perseverance. 19. Festive winter panel. An applied snowflake cutout adds fun and dimension to this winter decoration. Blue script really pops against a whitewashed background, and a silver bow adds just a touch of sparkle. 20. Multicolored scrapwood signs. Mix and match found pieces of old trim to make unique, staggered wall art. Painting them different colors and using different fonts adds to the eclectic charm of this homey Bible verse. 21. Entry hall wood sign decoration with elegant script. Give thanks all year round with this elegant one-plank entryway sign. When sized and centered carefully, it gives a designer finish to the classic mirror and hall table assemblage.